Welcome to another episode of our Photoshop tutorial series. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to add autumn color effect in Photoshop. So let's get started. Press Ctrl J to copy layer. Open Channel Mixer Adjustment layer. Select Red Channel. Red to -50. Make green to +200. And blue to -50. Then change the blending mode to lighten. Open Selective Color Adjustment layer. Select yellows. Then make cyan to -100. And magenta to +10.